Hey, Mark the Obvious here. Today is May 28th, 2024. It's currently 5 p.m. here in the US. Today will be my last night shift for the week. I only get like 3 night shifts per week. So nag-start ako Sunday, Monday. So today is Tuesday. And then I have the rest of the week off. 4 days off. Anything after this one is just overtime. And nano talaga ako ngayong araw. My mind was just blown. I make like for 40 hours of work here sa US dito sa as a registered nurse. 40 hours ko will get me like $1,400 to $1,500. That is per week. And I just saw someone today make $1,000 in 10 minutes. Yeah. Kaya nga, like last year, nagano talaga akong mindset ako talaga na yung price of ignorance, you just don't know people or ways that you can earn more money. Kala nyo imposible. I just saw someone, like literally, I was just beside her. She was just talking for 10 minutes and she just earned $1,000. Yeah, that blew my mind. It really did. And here I am working 40 hours a week, doing 40 hours a week of 12 hours a shift, $1,400 to $1,500. Let's go get it.